What's going on, guys? So today we're doing something a little bit different with my boy Kenny, KSIX right here with this beautiful R1 that everyone looks at instead of looking at my bike because it's got 40,000 miles. It's really old. But anyways, I'm not hating. Came out, grabbed a beer, and we want to do something a little bit different. So something I've been wanting to do, and it's kind of interesting, where we go try, what is it, hidden food menu items, hidden... I don't know. We're going to go places and try their food that's not on the menu. Yeah.
We're going to go places. We're going to do things. We're going to eat some food. Stick around, because it's probably going to be funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today we're going to Chipotle?
Chipotle.
Chipotle?
Chipotle.
Chipotle?
Get
whatever it is we're getting, I'm definitely stealing about a hot sauce, because I love their hot sauce. And the burrito is way too expensive to not steal something while you're there.
I agree. Yeah. Oh man, that sun is bright. Woo! Alright guys, don't forget to go ahead and hit up my Instagram, GhostNinja. I'll put that shit up here. Check out all the behind-the-scenes action. I usually post there quite a bit. Whoa! Stop, Kenny. You lost your wallet.
I did?
Yes, you did.
Oh, son of a bitch. Thank you so much.
Just pull over.
Oh, goddamn.
I got it.
Do you see it?
Yeah. It's on the side of the road.
Can you reach it?
Yeah, it's on the side of the road.
Oh. Oh.
God damn it, Kenny. Making me walk and shit.
Oh. Fucking noob mistake.
Look at this. Look at this.
My first fucking time?
Fucking noob. Now I'm gonna check my wallet. Oh, yep, it's in there.
Dude, I always check, but I'm wearing this jacket and I rarely wear this one anymore.
Yep, that's a wallet.
Yeah, thank you so much, because...
I saw whoa! Sorry, thank you.
Gave my car?
No.
No, so... Lesson for today.
Don't lose your wallet.
Make sure your pockets are zipped, or you might lose your shit. And this is the fucking most awful time to lose my wallet, too.
Alright. Make sure your wallet is safely secured. Keep your hands, feet, and other items inside the vehicle at all times while the motorcycle is moving.
I'm going to say it in the most Caucasianist voice possible. Quesarito.
We're going to get ourselves quesarito, boys.
Quesarito. Alright, so explain to everybody what this quesarito should be like, and then we gotta take bets on whether they're gonna know what the fuck we're talking about.
That's a good question. They may not even know what the fuck a quesarito is.
Yeah. I got $5.
He's jamming out.
They don't know. What? You got music?
This is jamming out. He's all... Brrr.
Hey man, turn it up! Turn it up!
Raise the roof!
Turn the music up! Turn the music up! What is this guy listening to?
I don't know, but he was jamming out.
Huh? Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, it's a mic. What are you listening to? What is that? Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
What did he say?
I don't know.
Just nod and say, yep, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. Where you go, man?
You don't know what the fuck he said. That's fucking... Witness. Preach!
Alright, so, unfortunately, you guys can't hear all the conversation. But we're gonna go...
But they will on my channel.
Yeah, you will on his channel. Well, you shut up, man. Shut up.
Alright, go ahead.
We're at Chipotle. We're gonna try out this quesarito. I got $5 on them not knowing what the hell we're talking about. I think they're going to give us the dead fish look.
The dead fish look. I like that. Yeah.
I'm waiting for it. Worst case scenario, I'm just going to get a fat-ass burrito.
Buy one, get one free.
Oh, yeah. And we doing this shit on the cheap.
And we're doing it on the cheap. Here's the moment of truth. Do they know what it is? And my understanding is they don't like making them. Yeah, because it's a lot of work. 2 quesadillas. Yeah. Knew what it was.
I lost $5.
Alright, so we have to wait for them to make it. Apparently, they got to do something with the cheese and the tortilla, the stuff and things, and we'll be back. So basically, it's a quesadilla, and you open it up. So we're doing a whole YouTube thing on hidden menu items. So you guys are the first on the list.
I had $5 on you not knowing what it was.
Yeah, he was hoping that you were gonna get that face like, what the fuck is he talking about?
Yeah, I've heard that before. Black or something?
Black.
You would choose black.
I like black beans, man. Pickle beans kind of look like vomit.
Me? And guacamole, correct?
Yes, please.
Alright, anything else after that?
Nope.
Actually,
Hold the diarrhea, please.
okay. The barbacoa, dog, quesadilla.
They're together. Alright, so we got 2 burritos. They look delicious when they made them.
This thing is bleeding out. There's so much stuff in there.
So much stuff is bleeding. You know what? I'm ditching the little, what is this? I'm going with this. This is my plate. And he's eating it with a fork. Who eats a burrito with a fork? Fucking Kenny.
Don't look at me.
Gotta get this. This stuff is
This
bomb.
one guy's going home.
Oh yeah, the cheese and the quesadilla part is really good, and then it's a little crusty.
This is way easier to eat than a 10-pound hamburger. Or 5-pound hamburger. 11 pounds of ramen.
Much easier to eat. If you guys know of any hidden menu items at any restaurants, leave your comment down below and we may go try it out. We'll probably do In-N-Out next. It's In-N-Out. Yeah, In-N-Out's hidden menu it's pretty bomb. And then from there, I have no idea. So we're gonna need your help to find more places, for sure.
Any place with pancakes would be awesome.
Kenny took a picture for us. Some people. And he got cake.
That happens to be nice to people.
And that's what happens when you're nice to people. You get cake. Kenny's eating his burrito with a fork.
The whole thing.
And a knife. I'm done. I'm not trying to do no food challenge. I just wanted to try it. It was really good. The cheese on the outside was really good. It definitely had that quesadilla taste to it. The tortilla is like a little crispier than normal. And the cheese added a little extra flavor. So it was really good. Definitely, would definitely recommend it. It was a bit expensive. I think it was 14 bucks for one burrito. So I had to buy one, get one free, thanks to the wifey, like I mentioned. It made it a little cheaper, but 14 bucks for one burrito, that's crazy. I normally would never spend that much. Huh? It's a cheap date. I can use coupons with Kenny. But man, it's good. Yeah. So definitely come and try it. It's really good. I'm done. I'm done, but I need a little more. It's the cheese. What are your thoughts on it, Kenny?
Good.
Good. Quesadilla for the win.
I like it. I didn't know about this, so this is
Kenny likes it, people. Kenny likes
Kenny's
it.
busy right now. Focus on finishing this burrito.
Kenny is receiving updates right now to his operating system by the name of meat. So he's receiving that meat. Okay, so that was delicious. We finished that up. Kenny, what's your take on the quesarito? Would you recommend it?
It was good.
It was good?
I couldn't finish mine.
I couldn't finish mine either.
No.
But it was good?
I got the itis. Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. I think
We'll know if it's still good in a couple hours. Hopefully we get the bubble guts.
the bubble guts.
Yeah.
We took a walk over to Vaughn's, picked up some beers, some curds. We're gonna go back and have a little bit of curds. We've really been kind of trying to kill time for them to leave because Kenny's bike's kind of loud and we don't want to get them to bring any attention. But they've been here for a minute.
Yeah, they wait.
Yeah, I don't think we have a choice. I would wait. Get your gloves on. We'll just turn it on and go. That way we, yeah. Try to be. Hey, Kenny. Oh, shit. Yeah, they definitely looked. He totally was, like, staring at you. Oh, that was good. Just get the fuck out of here. Before you get a ticket.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
I think, like I said, guys, I think In-N-Out's next. Yeah, you game with that? And then from there, I think we need some suggestions. Give us some places where we can try that have secret menus. But don't send us in there asking for some sort of fucking, like, I need a tropical storm fucking king enchilada. And they're going to give us that look like, what the fuck are you talking about? I'm going to Google. I am going to Google. I don't want to walk in there looking like an idiot.
I need the big one.
I need the big one. Until then, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that little, as Red would say, doodly-doo down below. Don't forget to hit that little bell if you want to be notified if when I upload videos.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's what that is. Because YouTube don't be telling you. Make sure to go check out Kenny's channel. I'll put the link down below. Although I think he ran out of a memory card because noob.
You know what, man?
You know what I hear? You know what I hear? Wah, 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 wah.